सो गाइस, मेस से निकल के ये एक रास्ता बनाया जा रहा है स्ट्रेट। ये जाके उस रोड पे मिलेगा ग्राउंड के पास में। ये रहा हम लोगों का मेस एरिया। ये मेस है और यहाँ से उतर के ये स्ट्रेट रास्ता है। ब्लॉक्स डाला जा रहा है बीच में। सो हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू अनदर ब्लॉग गाइस। सो दुर्गा पूजा वगैरह मना के तो आ चुके हैं ऑलरेडी कैंपस में। और कैंपस में आते ही अर्थक्वेक फील हुआ है। कल रात को 11:30 बजे के आसपास में भूकंप का झटका फील हुआ है रांची में, जिसका एपिसेंटर था नेपाल में। और आज सुबह 7 बजे का ये न्यूज़ है कि करीबन 100 से ज़्यादा लोग मर गए हैं। सो कल के एक्सपीरियंस से एक चीज़ पता चला है कि यहाँ पे एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन को थोड़ा बहुत अवेयरनेस लाना पड़ेगा अपने स्टाफ्स में, क्योंकि कल रात को जो कि 11 बजे ऑलरेडी हम लोगों का हॉस्टल का गेट बंद हो जाता है, नीचे से लॉक हो जाता है। और 11:30 बजे के आसपास जब भूकंप फील हुआ, सारे लड़के दौड़ के नीचे गए। और नीचे वो लोग किस चीज़ का वेट कर रहे थे पता नहीं। गेट बार बार बोलने के बाद भी जो केयर टेकर थे, दरबान थे ड्यूटी पे, तो वो गेट नहीं खोल रहे थे, लॉक नहीं खोल रहे थे। वो किसी सीनियर अथॉरिटी के इंस्ट्रक्शन का वेट कर रहे थे। तो मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि किसी सीनियर अथॉरिटी से बात करूँ, हॉस्टल वार्डन वगैरह से और सीनियर एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन से, जो कि ये सब अवेयरनेस लेके आएँ बीच में, इनके बीच में। और बच्चों में भी मॉक ड्रिल होना चाहिए कि ऐसे इमरजेंसी सिचुएशन में किस तरीके से एविक्ट किया जाए, ताकि कोई डिज़ास्टर ना हो, कोई ज़्यादा कैलेमिटी ना हो। देखते हैं कितना क्या सक्सेसफुल हो पाते हैं। और वैसे आज सैटरडे है, सैटरडे को भी आज वर्किंग हो गया हम लोगों का। वो इसलिए क्योंकि दिवाली के बीच में 3 वर्किंग डे पड़ रहा था, दिवाली और छठ पूजा की छुट्टी में। तो वो 3 वर्किंग डे को छुट्टी डिक्लेयर करके उसके जगह पे सैटरडेज़ को वर्किंग किया गया है। तो काफ़ी दिनों बाद सैटरडे को क्लास जा रहे हैं।
Point of view, I can give another line of input. See, for the trademark, registered trademark only workable within the national register, right? So when you are maintaining in the register, chapter 13 or 14, you can find that register requires to be maintained. All your licensing documents entered in is enforceable subsequent.
Good morning, everyone. I am Rohit, serving as the arbitrator for today's session. We are gathered here to address a dispute between Ajanta and Company and Sinex Limited in accordance with the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996. Now, I would like to request both the parties to introduce themselves.
Greeting to the Honorable Tribunal. This is counsel on behalf of Ajanta and Co. in the matter of Ajanta and Co. versus Sinex Limited.
Greetings to the learned tribunal. I am aware representing Sinex Limited in arbitral proceeding between Ajanta and Company and Sinex Limited before the honorable tribunal.
Okay, so before going into the intricacies of the dispute, it is important to acknowledge the arbitration agreement that mandate both the parties to resolve the dispute exclusively through the process of arbitration. So I would like to assure both the parties that our proceeding will be guided by the principles of equity and adherence to the law, and whatever the outcome of the proceeding is, it will be binding to both the parties.
To be get back and any other damages which the tribunal deems fit as a breach of contract.
Okay, counsel, you may proceed.
I would like to clear some specific fact. In the addition to what land council said, it was decided between both the parties that 2,500 bags of coaster seed is to be delivered in December. But Ajanta and Company changed the manner of delivery and deliver only the partial amount of good on its own. Hence, the performance of contract is not done in accordance with the provision of the contract. Thus, my client refused to accept the partial amount of the court, for which the current proceeding is going on.
The first hearing of the arbitration proceeding, and I have been appointed as the sole arbitrator in the instant matter between Ajanta and Sinex as per the contractual agreement between both the parties in compliance with section 11 clause 2 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act. And now I request both the parties to introduce themselves.
A very good morning, sir. Myself, Mr. Shonak Shah. I am going to represent the claimant Ajanta and Company.
I am Anirudh. I am the counsel for Sinex.
Okay. So is it okay if I address both the parties by your first name? Okay. And I would therefore like to hear the arguments from the claimant first. So are you ready to proceed, Mr. Sonak? Yes, please go ahead. So, Mr. Anirudh, do you align with the facts stated by Mr.
Mr.
Sonak?
Arbitrator, I do not concur with the facts stated by my learned friend. Actually, what he has done is he has used the facts in his favor. There was a contract for delivering 7,500 castor seeds back.
By hearing both the parties, I see that there is non-consensus between the facts stated by both the parties. So I would like to proceed further with the arguments of the claimant, and then we'll see how this proceeding goes. So, Mr. Sonak.
The first issue is regarding the maintainability, whether this case is maintainable in the arbitral tribunal or not. And yes, it is maintainable in this arbitral tribunal.
Okay. How?
It is maintainable.
क्या कर रहा है भाई?
Okay. So, Mr. Anirudh, do you concur with the facts with statement of Mr. Sonak?
Mr. Arbitrator, I do not concur with the maintainability aspect of my learned friend. Actually, 2,500 back in one go, but they have not fulfilled the terms of the contract, and now they have the guts to come here and argue before you and me, which is not justified.
Okay, so Mr. Sonak, do you have something to say?
Indeed, I have to say. He's talking about warehouse. So warehouse, what kind of warehouse? I want to know that per bag is cost. But he's not letting me speak. Sir,
Yeah.
please say something to
Both
me.
the benches address me and speak only when instructed.
Indeed. So he said that per bag cost 1,500. Now let me tell him that how costly is it? I know, because we are keeping it in warehouse only. So the cost he is like mentioning is completely nonsense, right? And secondly, which I am going to say is regarding the past relationship we have already talked about. So yes, he's completely speaking.
Okay,
No
so I have heard both the parties and I have read your briefs, I have listened to your arguments and reviewed your evidences as well. So the tribunal is of the option that further clarification is needed from both the parties, and at this moment we are unable to pass any judgment, any award. So therefore, the second hearing is necessary for this issue, and it will be listed on 13th of November, that is Monday next week, and we will proceed further. So both the parties come prepared with further clarifications. Okay. Thank you both the parties. Thank you audience. Thank you. So hello and welcome back guys. आप लोगों ने देखा आज हम लोगों का कोर्ट रूम एक्सरसाइज था आर्बिट्रेशन लॉ का. तो हम सोनक और अनिरुद्ध थे, 3 जन थे हम लोग. तो मोटा मोटी ठीक ठाक ही गया है. प्रोफेशनलिज्म भी था, थोड़ा बहुत हम लोगों ने हंसी मजाक भी किया है. तो देखा जाए मार्किंग कैसा मिलता है, मार्क्स वगैरह कैसा मिलता है.